are here at Sadhugarh. It is on Patiala Sarand highway. It is an internal road which goes through the village. What you could see behind me, the wheat residue has been set on fire, and it is prevalent across Punjab currently, as majority of the farmers says that they are clearing the field as the paddy sowing season has been preponed to June 1. The trend has been witnessed in paddy crop, but of late there has been a rising trend of wheat residue being set on fire. So experts are of the view that the wheat residue which was earlier used as cattle feed is now no longer being used, as farmers are no longer keeping the cattle in the villages. So they are not getting the kind of return from the residue. So what is being done, they are ultimately setting it on fire. So I am Mohit Khanna from the Tribune, or from Sarand Patiala highway. It is an internal road rather in the Sadhugarh, and you could see huge waves if I could get you there. It is near the railway track. It is near the railway track, and it is posing a risk also of the oncoming trains, and high voltage wires are also there. And this is currently the average scene what you could see across Punjab, especially in southern Malwa region. You could easily find residue being set on fire, and currently the temperature is somewhere around 40 degrees, and in such a high temperature, this is adding to the heat wave also, and posing lot of problems for the commuters. Thank you. Thanks for watching.